is Rena with LYLO Crafts coming on today to share eight gingerbread and baking projects, and I am participating in Gail Banks Creates hashtag July Christmas 2023, where she encouraged us to go ahead and make some things for Christmas when we know we're always get pressed for time. So to do that here in July. And so this is the last week for it, but I wanted to participate, and please go and use that hashtag July Christmas 2023 to see all the other amazing makers and what they made for inspiration. So I have one stamp and 8 projects with the stamp. And so the first one is this very sweet gingerbread girl card that I made, and I stamped her out, but then I used a peachy keen face, and then I accented her with this crystal glitter. I love to use that on my gingerbread projects, and I even used some fabric paint on her with the white to just give a little pop to her. And I cut her out in and I was going to say a rickrack, but a zigzag stitch, scissors over there. Then I backed it with red and then onto this beautiful cardstock. And then I used some jute twine to tie it all together. And on the inside, it has a sentiment from the stamp set, and it says, "Gingerbread leaven from the oven." So I thought that was so cute. So that is my first project. The next ones that I made are these little bows. And so look at this one with the jingle bell. See, you can even hear it. This is an oven mitt, and I just made this little double bow. And then for all of these, I added glue, and then I just sprinkled on some crystal glitter for that. And so I love the way that first bow turned out. And then I've got this one with this rolling pin. Isn't that fun? Oh my gosh, so sweet and so sparkly. So these are my first 3 projects. And you know what's so great about this stamp set is it comes with a boy too. So I love that. And so again, I used the peachy keen stamp on him, and I crystal glittered him up. And this time I used a card, a Christmas card that I had in my stash, and it says, "Have a holly jolly Christmas." And I just cut around it. So my gingerbread man could be holding on to that. That can be in the background, and it makes a shaped card that way. So, you know, I'm not above using what I have and not having to create everything from scratch. So I think that is so sweet as another card. Then I made a bag topper. And so on this one, I inked around the side with some gold, and then I put a little bit of the red on the inside to age it because it is bright white cardstock. And then I made a big bow. I used a little bit of that tinsel that I got from the Dollar Tree a long time ago. And this time I've got the spoon, and I used watercolor on all of these to color these embellishments in watercolor pens and a watercolor brush. And so I've got this all glittered up. So I think that is going to make such a fun bag topper, and I might even add like a dangle over here on the side, depends on what I put inside of that. So I've got that bag topper. And then I've got my last 3 are, well, I made this sweet little like a 3x3 card, and I just did 2 punches, and then I've got this sweet glittered up heart cookie on the inside, and I did ink up the inside as well. Again, gold and red on this to tone that down. And then I made this tag right here, and I've got rickrack and some jute twine and some tulle to tie it together. And I've got a scallop circle back here in craft. I've got a tulle little rosette behind it, and I've got the this little candy cane shaped cookie on the top, and it says "Baked with Love." And I thought this would be so great to give like a coworker or a neighbor. This would be such a cute tag tag to put with some baked goodies. And then I've got this one which says Cookies for Santa. I used a big tulle on the end and I just tied it off with a jute twine. Again, I cut it out with those like zigzag or rickrack stickers. Scissors, and I inked it with gold to distress it a little bit, and I've got those 2 cookies on there. So these are my 8 gingerbread projects for today. I hope that you like them, and I hope that you got some inspiration. If you like this content, I would so appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel as I have giveaways relatively frequently, but you must be a subscriber. So thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.